Let's get started. If you've ever wondered what it takes to become a trader, you're in the right place. Trading might sound intimidating at first, but at its core, it's simply buying and selling. Think of it like flipping a vintage jacket for a profit, but instead of clothes, you're dealing with company shares and financial assets. When you buy a share, you actually own a tiny slice of a business. It's like having a small stake in a company's future, no matter how big or small your investment. If the company does well and grows, your slice becomes more valuable, and you could see your investment increase over time. The main goal? Buy low, sell high, and make a profit from the changes in price. It's about spotting opportunities and making smart decisions. Some people trade quickly. These are day traders who buy and sell within hours or even minutes, while others prefer to hold shares for months or years, hoping for steady, long-term growth. Trading isn't a secret club. Anyone can learn, especially with today's easy-to-use tools and endless resources available online. All you really need is curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a bit of money you're prepared to risk, plus the patience to practice and improve. Ready to take your first step? Let's dive in and explore the world of trading together. Why trade? For most, it's about building a better future and beating inflation, growing your money faster than prices rise. Trading can help you work toward financial freedom, more choices, less worry. It's also a way to create another income stream, separate from your job. You'll learn about the world, industries, and how global events affect companies. It's a brain workout and more interesting than scrolling social media. Best of all, anyone can start. Just a phone and an internet connection. Trading puts you in control of your financial destiny. That's a powerful motivator. The stock market is like a giant auction house for company shares, open every weekday. Here, millions of investors and traders buy and sell pieces of companies, called shares, hoping to make a profit or support businesses they believe in. Prices move based on supply and demand. Good news means more buyers, prices go up. Bad news, more sellers, prices drop. Every headline, rumor, or company announcement can send prices soaring or tumbling in real time. Imagine Super Smoothies Lemonade launches a hit product. Everyone wants in, so the share price climbs. Investors rush to buy shares, hoping to ride the wave of success and future profits. Companies sell shares to raise money for growth, and investors get a chance to profit if the company succeeds. This partnership fuels innovation, expansion, and new opportunities for both sides. The stock market connects businesses needing funds with people wanting to invest. It's a dynamic marketplace where fortunes can change in moments. Understanding this push and pull is key to trading. Knowing why prices move helps you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. It's not magic, just people, news, and money moving around. The market reflects the hopes, fears, and ambitions of millions every day. Master the basics, and you're halfway there. With knowledge and practice, you can navigate the market's ups and downs with confidence. Ready to start? Taking your first steps into the trading universe can feel both exciting and overwhelming. But with the right approach, anyone can begin their journey. First, educate yourself. Read, watch, and listen to trading basics. There are countless resources available, from beginner books to podcasts and online courses, all designed to help you build a strong foundation. Learn key terms like bull market, bear market, and dividend. Understanding this language will help you make sense of market news and trading platforms. Next, pick a reliable online broker with low fees and a user-friendly app. Take your time to compare different platforms, read reviews, and make sure the broker is regulated and trustworthy. Try a demo account to practice with fake money. No risk, just learning. This is your chance to get comfortable with the tools and test your strategies before risking real cash. When you're ready for real money, only use what you can afford to lose. Never your rent or food budget. Responsible trading starts with protecting your essential expenses. Start small. The goal is to learn, not get rich overnight. Even a modest investment can teach you valuable lessons and help you build confidence. Pay attention to how you react emotionally to gains and losses. Your mindset and discipline are just as important as your trading strategy. For example, buy 10 shares of British Biscuit Produce at $10 each. This simple trade is your entry into the world of buying and selling stocks. If the price rises to $12, you sell and make a profit. That's trading in action, spotting opportunities and making decisions based on your research and goals. The process is simple, but mastering it takes practice. Don't rush. Take time to review your trades and learn from each experience. Every trade is a lesson. Keep a journal of your wins and losses to track your progress and spot patterns in your behavior. Build your skills step by step. With patience and persistence, you'll grow more confident and capable as a trader. Your trading journey starts now. Take that first step, stay curious, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Made your first trade? Great. Now always have a plan. Know why you're buying and when you'll sell if things go wrong. Use a stop loss to limit losses and avoid emotional decisions. Be patient. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one company or industry. Spread your investments to reduce risk. Keep learning. The markets change and so should you. Review your trades, learn from mistakes, and keep improving. Every expert started as a beginner.